Hi, my students in grade 8. Today we are making a review session in mathematics. It's our first review session for the year 2019-2020. We are revising our lesson, which is the powers. Enjoy your time and please pay attention for the important details and rules. In this lesson, our first objective, we are revising or refreshing our memory to know the notation of power or the power form. A power notation or a power form is a to the power n. The base is a and the exponent is n. For example, if we are talking about 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 9 is the power, so 10 is the base and 9 is the exponent. Now, how can we write a multiplication sentence in power form and vice versa? Any power is represented as a repetition of multiplication. So, for example, the notation a to the power n is written a times a times a times a. How? Because the base a is multiplied by itself as the exponent n. For example, 2 to the power 5 is written 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and it's read 2 to the power 5. How can we calculate different powers? To calculate powers, they should be written as a multiplication sentence. For example, to calculate 7 squared, we multiply 7 by itself 2 times. So 7 times 7 is equal to 49. The fourth rule is learn and apply rules of power. We should know these rules, and how can we apply these rules? The first rule, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. For example, if we have the same base, here we have the base 2, we keep it 2 and we add both exponents. Now a over b, all of it to the power n. We are dividing different bases, same exponent, so this exponent is for both the numerator and the denominator. Now rule power of power, a to the power m, all of it to the power n. For example, if we have 2 to the power 3 to the power 5, the base is 2 and we multiply the exponents. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Now if we are multiplying different bases and same exponent, we multiply the bases and we keep the exponent. If we have 3 times 4, all of it squared, we multiply 3 times 4 is 12 and we keep the exponent squared. Now the new rules, if we are dividing same base, different exponents, we keep the base and we subtract the above exponent minus the below exponent. And if we have a negative exponent, we should change it into positive. If it's up in the numerator, this is over 1, we should get it down, it becomes positive. Or if it's down, we get it up and it becomes positive. Now if we have a negative base, suppose for example we have negative 3, all of it squared. Here we look at the exponent. If it's odd, like 3 for example, my answer should be in the negative. If it's even, my answer should be in the positive. Now we all know that powers of 10 has a base 10. All the rules of powers that we applied before are also applied on powers of 10.